Have you ever been in a meeting where you've seen someone get a reward and you found yourself thinking, I wish I could be like them and do that, but I'm just not like them. I'm not charismatic or confident or outgoing. Can I tell you a secret? I am shy and an introvert. I was even like that when I sold business to business sales. Well, I found myself when I did that I still had to be outgoing and ask for attention, and I had to be confident and ask for money. The crazy thing is I did it, and I did it successfully. I was even one of the top 10 performers in my division. Can I tell you a secret of how I did it? Yeah, I pay attention because this will totally change your life if you use it too. The trick to doing what I did was I had to act as if I was confident, and I had to act as if I were outgoing. And just like that, success. If you do this just like I did it, you can be successful as well. Dr. Linda Sapedin teaches this very principle. She teaches that a person does not need to possess confidence within, as long as they act as if they have confidence on the outside. Dr. Sapedin said that many of the world's most accomplished people feel shy, shaky, insecure, and at times even terrified, yet they go about working to achieve their goals. 5 days a week for about 5 years, I went about going and visiting about 5 to 8 accounts a day. And every one of those days, I would act as if I were outgoing, and I would act as if I didn't have any anxiety. And when I would go visit them, and I would act as if I were my buyer's best friends. I pretended every day. Well, with each visit, I was able to build a rapport, and with time and experience, I became more outgoing and became my buyer's best friends, good friends. Dr. Linda Sapedin teaches that mild anxiety can help you perform better. She teaches many techniques to help a person overcome anxiety, like breathing, practicing, getting different types of feedback, and even encouragement for yourself. If you use this active principle like I did, I know you can achieve whatever goal that you have in your life. I know that by using this act as if principle and pretending to have the character or trait that you want, you will no longer be saying, well, that's just not me. But you will be the person receiving the reward for greatness.